broken. Okay, we're back. This is day 3 of my Vlogmas. I've been shopping a little bit too much, but this was for a good reason. It's part of my candle giveaway. I'm going to be doing a closing out sale, but I wanted to do a really cool giveaway, so I'll tell you what this is in a second. I did order something for myself as well. Before I get into all of this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, tag a friend, leave me a nice comment. I don't care if it's a Merry Christmas or a hello, I love your content, or I wish you would do this, or this. Leave a comment, okay? Everything helps. But today I'm doing a really quick unboxing of En Route jewelry, okay? And I'm excited because, like I said, this is part of my candle giveaway for the holidays. Look at this, so nice. Look how nice that is. Focus on me. I ordered a few things, and one of these things will be a part of, one of these things. So this one, if you follow my candle page, I'll be announcing this giveaway on Friday, and a lucky winner will receive this lovely necklace. I'll show you what it is in a second. I did order one for myself as well, but this is the En Route jewelry Kelly Stamps collection. If you're a part of the Stampede, you can join this giveaway, and yay! So first we have the Carpe Diem necklace, which I did order this one for myself, and it's super cute. Let's get a close-up. So first we have this very cute Carpe Diem necklace, which I did order. This will be a part of the giveaway, so congrats to whoever the giveaway winner is. Be sure to follow my candle page for those details. So this will be yours, okay? This will be the giveaway winners, and I'm just excited. So you'll win the holiday candle, which is called Santa's Naughty Elf. You'll win my discovery kit and this, all right? You're welcome. Next up, I did get, I got the earrings. I didn't even remember. Guys, this is terrible. Like, ordering stuff and then you just like, oh yeah, I forgot I ordered that. What? Oh no. My earring. It's broken. Oh, you guys, I'm really sad. Okay, I guess I can like glue it back together. I'm kind of sad. One side is okay. This one, alright, and it's is it a screw on? Oh no, so it just goes in like, I can't find it. Okay, like so. It is a cute earring. I'm just really sad that it's broken. But this one, this piece is broken. It broke off of the side. But my Kelly Stamps earrings. But we'll crazy glue it. You know, stuff happens. I'm kind of sad, but. Alright, so that concludes my Vlogmas day numero 3. And remember to go ahead and follow my candle page. And I will be doing this giveaway. Remember, go ahead and follow my candle page at Posh Rose Candle. The link is down below. We will be giving away this Carpe Diem necklace from the En Route Kelly Stamps collab. Okay, this is the Kelly Stamps collection. I do love the necklace, although I'm sad that my earring was broken, but it's okay. But thank you once again for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and comment and all that jazz. Thank you for for all the comments that you guys have left thus far. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for existing. Thank you for being in this space with me. And I'll catch you in the next one.